Jenni! What are you doing? Don't try and foam roll your calves to improve your squat, okay? You need to strengthen your calves and you need to train yourself how to be strong in the end range of motion. The best way to do that is to use an exercise called a split squat. So what Jenni's going to do is hop herself down into the lowest position she can get. She's going to push her knee as far over her toe as she can, as much as she can, that she can keep the heel on the ground. She's then going to tuck the back foot and lift herself up ever so slightly and try and hold that bottom position without falling over. Then she's going to wiggle her toes in that bottom position. Then she's going to slowly see, can she push herself back up and then bring herself back down again. So she's training that end range position that's going to help her to have more strength in the bottom position of her squat. This is a relatable drill to do, and it's going to give you much greater gains. It's going to improve your range of motion because you're going to be able to get the knee further over the toe during this drill. So when it comes back to squatting, you don't need that as much range as that. So you're able to sit into a better position for your squat. If you're always feeling like your calves are getting crazy tight as well, what you want to do is start taking calf raises a bit more seriously. You might even grow some. How awesome would that be? So what you're going to do is the Grandad waiting on the bus drill. You just rock yourself back and then come up on the toes as much as you can. Rock yourself back, up on the toes as much as you can. Rock yourself back, up on the toes as much as you can. Then turn the feet in towards each other so the toes are pointing towards each other. And then same thing, rock back, pull your toes up as much as you can, and then come up as high as you can. Rock back, up as high as you can. Rock back, whoop, and up as high as you can. And then turn the feet out like that. Same idea, rock back, lift up, rock back, lift up. So think, strengthen your end range positions, get right down into the bottom, strengthen the muscles that are feeling tight so that they're actually stronger and able to cope with the training that you're doing, and you're going to feel a lot better for it.